In today's fast-paced world, trucks keep the wheels of the economy turning, day in and day out. And truckers understand the importance of on-time delivery. Downtime is not an option. When it comes down to choosing the right tire for their truck, truckers look for a reliable brand of tire that carries the load effortlessly, safely, and is low on total cost of ownership. At Alliance Tire Group, we understand drivers and fleet owners' needs. Introducing Galaxy Truck Tires. From sourcing and manufacture to the testing and delivery of our truck tires, we ensure world-class quality at every step of the process. A subsidiary of the Yokohama Tires, ATG manufactures Galaxy Truck and Bus Radial tires at its state-of-the-art manufacturing plant, adhering to world-class quality standards. The journey begins with sourcing the highest quality raw materials available and storing them in the company's temperature-controlled storage facility. Every shipment of incoming materials is thoroughly inspected to ensure that our standards are maintained, while also maintaining efficient stock and flow of materials between the stages of production. Fail-safe mechanisms are incorporated during the mixing stage to deliver consistent product quality for every tire coming off the line. Special materials are added during this process that help to lower the rolling resistance to the tires and provide better fuel economy. Composite sheets are formed during the calendaring process. They are all steel-wired to provide strength and durability to our Galaxy tires. Precision equipment set up with temperature and humidity controls is essential for this process. High-tech machinery is required during the cutting stage to ensure that the calendared plies and belts are cut at precisely measured angles and widths and delivered consistently without variation or defect. Inspection tools and monitoring systems installed during the hot and cold extruding processes confirm that the compound is propelled continuously along the screw through regions of desired pressures and temperatures that deliver consistent sidewall, tread, and kyle. A sophisticated and fully automatic section is dedicated to manufacturing specially designed beads, which provide ease of mounting and better strength to our truck tires. ATG is committed to providing equal opportunities in our workforce, and our TBR section is run completely by highly skilled and trained workers committed to delivering only the highest quality product. A best-in-class international standard setup, which is fully automated and temperature-controlled, is dedicated to the tire building stage. Unlike conventional tire building, component cutting, placement, and orientation are done through error-proofing devices with high precision, which ensure consistent product delivery. Ongoing quality assurance evaluation is carried out to ensure every product is delivered to right specification. Computerized machines oversee the curing process of our Galaxy truck tires. They have the capability to auto-correct during the hardening process that gives the tire its final shape. SCADA systems are used for auto-loading, unloading, and carrying the completed products, handling them with utmost care. Every tire at our plants undergoes multiple stages of inspection, including physical inspection, X-ray inspections carried out on cutting-edge machinery, RRO, and static as well as dynamic balancing tests. This ensures that only world-class quality products make it out of our factories at ATG. All finished products that pass the stringent quality tests are stored in a systematic manner in company's own warehouse. Barcode stickers are applied to the tires for better identification and tracking. Ready to be shipped to the world, Galaxy TBR tires maintain the gold standard of quality tire manufacturing that Alliance Tire Group is known for around the world.